All right, good evening, everybody. What is today's topic on coffee and questions, or more like it's evening again? Like I said, in the last video, we were out there, had a friend of mine, he picked up some of those long flat magnets. So what are you going to do with them? He goes, hey, I saw this really cool picture online of one of the boxes that I have from out at Harbor Freight from US General, and I have a good idea for creating more storage inside of my toolbox. And I said, okay, what's that? So here, let me show you the picture. Let's get right to it. Okay, so here's what we picked up. He picked up several of these. I picked up a couple because they are very useful in and around the shop for when I'm working on stuff. I mean, I can, whether it's drill bits or whatever else, just slap them up real quick, get them out of the way, grab them again without them rolling around, and misplacing them. But anyway, the purpose of this was he wanted to add them to his cart. So let me show you what he did. Okay, so here's a picture off of the web. I'm not sure whose it is to give him credit for it. It's one that he used as a pattern, let's say, for what he was going to do, because he's got the same kind of toolbox. Another guy out there has got a different kind of a toolbox. I think it's made by Matco or one of those. And he said, hey, this is a great idea. So he's not using the inside of the lid of his toolbox for anything either. So if nothing else, it's just a great storage area to tack stuff up there, whether it's can openers, wrenches, or whatever. So he went out and got some too. I don't have a picture of what he did with his. So here in the picture, you're going to see where it looks like, and I'm not certain that this guy may have actually bolted or screwed them, by lining it up, drilling, into that toolbox lid. We chose not to do it that way. Instead, we used magnetic strip tape. I'll give you a link below off of Amazon, and Harbor Freight might sell the same kind of magnetic strip tape. I'm not sure. Somebody can drop a comment below and let me know, but otherwise, we didn't want to drill holes through the box. And if he ever decided to relocate them or take them off at a future date, he could simply just peel them off of here, and use adhesive remover and clean the box back up. Anyway, so that's the method that he used. But you can see, like here in the picture, you can configure this to your own liking a bunch of different ways. Now, this guy used five of them. He's got one, that's vertical over there on the far right. It's a good idea because, like I said, you're not utilizing this space at all. So if you sit and think, hey, I don't need it anyway, so I don't really care. The other side of it is these are not that expensive to buy. And if you do put them on there using that two-way adhesive magnetic tape that I'm telling you about, what you do is you just create additional storage capacity for anything you want to put up there. So I think it's a great modification idea, and it's one of the products that Harbor Freight sells. I think it's a good value, for what it is. If you can get them and use the coupon on top of that, that's even better. So good idea. Anybody have a different experience? Drop it in the comment below. Otherwise, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. Let me know if you like these videos. I'll keep doing them. I'll keep throwing ideas out there. I keep throwing bargains out there for you guys. I will always try to leave, links to Amazon and other places if I think the deals are better somewhere else. And I hope to see you on the next video. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.